Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to share a payment link using the Bright app. This is a super convenient way to request or receive money from anyone, fast, secure, and simple. Let's dive right in. First, open the Bright app and log into your account using your credentials. From the home screen, you're going to tap on Send and Request, and then you're going to choose Request Money. Enter the amount that you'd like to request, and optionally you can add in notes. This could be something like dinner splits or event tickets. And now select share link instead of sending directly through a phone number or contact. Bright will generate a secure payment link just for this request. You're going to see a few sharing options, so just copy the link to your clipboard, or you can tap to share via text, email, or social media apps directly. When the recipient clicks the link, they're going to be taken to a secure Bright payment page where they can complete the transaction using their preferred payment method. Once they pay, you're going to receive a notification and the money will appear in your Bright account instantly or within a few minutes, depending of course on the payment method used. And that's how easy it is to share a payment link using Bright. If you found this helpful, then be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright app tips and tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.